What's up guys, it's BT here and this is the review of the Logitech G Pro Hero Edition. Now this is the update of the classic G Pro but now with that new Logitech Hero sensor. Personally, the G Pro has always been one of my favorite mice of all time. It's a quick little nimble mouse that allows you to be super precise because of its size. So today I'll be going over some of the features of this mouse and touch on a little bit about what's changed with this updated version. This new version of the G Pro can be found for around $60, which is competitive in today's gaming mouse climate. The G Pro has two very slim side buttons, a DPI button up top, a nice rigid scroll wheel which is buttery smooth for everything from swapping weapons in-game to browsing websites, because some gaming mice are great in game but they are kind of unusable for anything outside of the game. The mouse 1 and 2 are very clicky guys. Let me drop a sound test for you guys right about now. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. There's something about these clicks that are just super fast. When I click, I feel like that mind to click connection is there with this mouse for sure. Sometimes I feel like it's even too quick and I kind of misclick sometimes. So if you are kind of heavy-handed, you might want to stay away from this mouse. Now it's got RGB on the sides and on the logo, which can be adjusted in the Logitech software to a bunch of different color profiles. In the software, you'll be able to also adjust the DPI setting as well. The Hero sensor is capable of going up to 16,000 DPI with 1 millisecond report rate. Weird flex Logitech, but okay, I guess. Because I don't think most people will be using that high of a DPI. It's more of just a number to show what the sensor can actually do. Now the Hero sensor is one of my favorites because of its consistency and accuracy. On the bottom, it's got 5 mice feet that are okay, 4 around the edges and 1 circular one around the sensor. Me personally, I'll probably end up hypergliding this one like I did my original G Pro. Logitech is also wised up and they took away that braided cord and put in a thin, lightweight rubber cord, which is greatly appreciated because their braided cords are atrocious, especially for a gaming centered mouse. I don't know what they were thinking in the boardroom, like, hey, let's put a thick braided cord on this mouse to make it hard to move around and it gets in your way. And let's make it for gaming. Yeah. What's the thought process? The form factor of the G Pro Hero is very small and low profile, weighing in at 83 grams, which I'm finding works best for me. I like mice that are around 80 to 90 grams. Personally, it's a great compromise between being light enough to where it doesn't affect your aim and heavy enough so you get some feel and control of the mouse. It's got an angle slope at the back and it's slightly triangular in shape. This allows it to be pushed into your hand when you're claw gripping and it fits like a glove. One mistake that I originally made when I tried the original G Pro was that I tried to palm grip this mouse. I don't care what anybody says, this is not a palm grip mouse whatsoever. Even if you have small hands, I still recommend claw grip. Even though you can do it, you don't have to listen to me. It's your mouse, it's your hand, but you will go through a cramp period where you will feel some discomfort. That being said, this mouse is a great fingertip grip mouse because of its length. I can look down in game, and you look down and still have room to where it won't hit the back of my hand. In fact, I go as far as to say this is one of the best fingertip grip mice out on the market to date. Don't let the small size fool you. The G Pro Hero performs like a beast in game. Its small size allows me to control it like no other mouse on the market. Now, I'm not saying it's better than everything out there, but it's definitely a different experience. I switch out my mouse a lot, maybe like once or twice a week. Weird flex, but okay. This one mouse, more times often than not, finds its way onto my desk and probably gets some of the most playtime of any mouse that I own. A wireless alternative to this mouse is the G305, which is another amazing mouse, but a wireless edition. But some people want that security of having a wired mouse for the least amount of latency, because I know people are going to ask, why not just go with the G305? Well, that's why. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Let me know down in the comments below if you have ever used the G Pro or any of its variants like the G102, 203, G305, or any of those mice. Let me know down below. It has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.